Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and GME has now drifted downwards here a little bit more. Nothing crazy, but there's a very clear downwards drift, and some updates certainly do need to be made. First key update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that level up there at the 182 mark was an area of support, but now that the price is broken down below there, that would be considered that main near-term area of resistance. So if the price does try to eventually, consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 182, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So you're going to definitely want to keep a close eye on 182 headed into not necessarily just Thursday, but over the next several days to see if the price can break up through there. If it can, then at that point, your attention would want to immediately turn to that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it the 185 mark. So those are going to be the couple of areas of resistance to keep a very close eye on moving forward. In terms of levels of support, now all eyes right there on the 175 mark, which I've talked about previously. Got kind of close to being tested right there. Never quite hit it, but it is definitely within striking distance now. So 175 is going to be that first key level, but I do want to get one more area mapped out just in case. And if 175 is broken, next key level after that would be down there right around the 171 mark. So overall, yeah, definitely. And I'll squeeze this down to illustrate. Very clear downwards drift of things right now. So now it's just really a question of, is this downwards drift going to just continue, or the bull is going to finally show up again and, get some sort of break up through there. So we'll have to see what happens. But, moving forward, these are going to be the current main technical levels that you're going to want to keep a close eye on. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.